Hi, welcome to Yarning, and this is Teresa, and this is my mystery box challenge yarn that I received from C. Williams in the mail the other day. It has taken me a hot minute to get to this, and I apologize for that. And these are the 3 acrylic yarns that I got. They match beautifully. I am going to do a baby project with it. I don't know if it's going to be a blanket, but I am going to do a baby project with it. This is a Woolworth's Windtuck hand knitting yarn, originally $1.59. It's from a DuPont Orlon acrylic. It's a 4-ply, 3.5 ounces. It is the color gray. I don't believe there's yardage on here because I did try doing this video the other day, and that's why it sat and waited. Made and printed in the USA. Anyway, it's 3 ounces, and this one here is 3 ounces as well. And this 5 ounces, pardon me. And it has 383 yards of this fine soft wool in these beautiful grays and purples. And it is a Premier yarn. DK colors. It is anti-peeling. Yay! It is 383 yards, as I said. It's a number 3, and it recommends a 4mm hook. You can wash and dry this, which I do appreciate ever so much, and you can dry clean. Thank you, Denise. You told me that was dry clean. Thank you very much. And you can, let's see, you could do a lot of things with this because you have a nice amount of yards. And I do believe if this is 383, these skeins have to be close to 250 because these are 3 ounces and that is 3.5 ounces, excuse me. And then we got this lovely purple, and it is Burnette yarn. I saw it say right there, Burnette. It is a 4. It is 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, Barella, 100% blended acrylic fibers. And it says to purchase a significant amount of yarn for your project in the same dye lot to ensure your color. It doesn't say that, but I added that. This color is Pale Dawson. It is lot B. In my opinion, it is a light purple, and it's recommending a 7mm, size 7 needles, and I don't see a hook gauge, but it's size 7 needles. Personally, it's a 4 or a thin 4. It's a thin 4. I would use the same hook I'm going to use for that because they do measure very similar. You could see the difference, but it's not enough for my opinion to worry about. And then this one, I think this is one thing I should study because this gray one also says it's a 3 or a 4. And dead air, sorry. And it is the same size of this, but it also, you know, they can go together just fine. There shall not be a problem at all. So that's my yarn. Let me put it so we can get a nice little thumbnail and Lori can take a picture. This is the yarn for the month of May yarn challenge. Mystery yarn challenge, May 23, hosted by Lori over at Armchair Chef. Lori's link will be in the description down below. If you have not yet subscribed, please think about doing so. If you have subscribed and you are returning, thank you so much for coming by. I do appreciate you. If you could please leave a thumbs up, that does help my channel. And have a great day.